One thing that we know about restaurants is that not every order is created equal. For example, you might want your to-go orders to be done faster than your dine-in orders because you know that the customers who are ordering to go are in a hurry. One thing that you can do in Fresh KDS to help your kitchen or your baristas stay on track of which orders need to be ready first is you can set the transition times for the headers by order type. That means you can set a different amount of time for when an order turns yellow or when it turns red. The way that you do this is you go into settings and select transition times, and then set the time period for each order type when it'll turn yellow or red. For example, let's say we want our to-go orders to turn yellow after a minute. You can come in here, set to a minute, hit confirm, and then the same for when they turn red. You can have them turn red after, say, 2 minutes. Then if you come back to the home screen, you'll see that the to-go order, which has now been open for 1 minute and 9 seconds, is already yellow, even though the for here order, which has been open for longer, is still green. Another thing that you can do to help enable this is turning on the intelligent order sorting feature, which is found under order behavior. What the intelligent order sorting feature does is it takes into account both the transition times and an order's quoted pickup time to help make sure that the order that needs to be prepared next is first in the queue. Let's see an example of how this is going to work. Let's say that you have a to-go order that came in. So this to-go order doesn't need to be picked up for 20 minutes. If right after this to-go order comes in, you have a customer who's dining in who places an order, you probably want to prepare the dine-in order first, because you don't need to have the to-go order ready for 20 minutes. What the intelligent order sorting can do is it can take this into account, and when you get an order that comes for dine-in, it will actually jump in front of the pickup order. This tells your staff, this is the order that needs to be prepared next, and it increases the likelihood that you will have these orders done as quickly as possible and as close to the expectations of the customer as possible.